Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Talk. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us: utility bills. We all know how expensive they can be, but did you know that there are ways to save money on them? In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to reduce your utility bills and save money. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Unplug appliances when not in use. Did you know that appliances that are plugged in but not in use still consume energy? This is called phantom energy, and it can add up to a significant amount on your utility bill. So, make sure to unplug your appliances when you're not using them. This includes your TV, computer, phone charger, and other electronics. Tip number 2. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Switching to energy-efficient light bulbs can save you a lot of money on your utility bills. These bulbs use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. So, make sure to replace your old bulbs with energy-efficient ones. You can also consider using natural light during the day to reduce your electricity usage. Tip number 3. Adjust your thermostat. Your thermostat plays a big role in your utility bills. By adjusting it a few degrees, you can save a lot of money. During the summer, set your thermostat to 78 degrees or higher, and during the winter, set it to 68 degrees or lower. You can also consider using a programmable thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature when you're not home. Tip number 4. Use energy-efficient appliances. When it's time to replace your appliances, make sure to choose energy-efficient ones. These appliances use less energy and can save you a lot of money in the long run. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which means they meet energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Tip number 5. Seal air leaks. Air leaks in your home can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which can increase your utility bills. So, make sure to seal any air leaks in your home. This includes sealing gaps around windows and doors, and adding insulation to your attic and walls. Tip number 6. Use cold water for laundry. Using cold water for your laundry can save you a lot of money on your utility bills. Most of the energy used by your washing machine goes towards heating the water. By using cold water, you can reduce your energy usage and save money. Plus, using cold water is also better for your clothes, as it can help prevent fading and shrinking. Tip number 7. Take shorter showers. Taking shorter showers can also help you save money on your utility bills. The longer you shower, the more hot water you use, which can increase your energy usage. So, try to limit your showers to 5–10 minutes. You can also consider installing a low-flow shower head, which can help reduce your water usage. Tip number 8. Use a clothesline. Using a clothesline to dry your clothes instead of a dryer can also help you save money on your utility bills. Dryers use a lot of energy, and by using a clothesline, you can reduce your energy usage and save money. Plus, hanging your clothes outside to dry can also give them a fresh, clean scent. Tip number 9. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Turning off lights when you leave a room is a simple but effective way to save money on your utility bills. Lights use energy, and by turning them off when you're not using them, you can reduce your energy usage and save money. So, make sure to turn off lights when you leave a room. Tip number 10. Get an energy audit. Finally, if you're serious about saving money on your utility bills, consider getting an energy audit. An energy audit is a professional assessment of your home's energy usage. It can help you identify areas where you can improve your energy efficiency and save money. You can contact your utility company to see if they offer energy audits. Conclusion. So, those are our tips and tricks on how to save money on your utility bills. By following these tips, you can reduce your energy usage and save money. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips on how to save money on utility bills, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.